Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Safe Core for smart contract wallet setup, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a stable internet connection and a compatible device. Open your preferred web browser. Go to the official Safe Core website. Locate the download option for the Safe Core wallet. Click on the appropriate download link for your operating system. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Find the Safe Core installation file and double-click to open it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the wallet. Choose a secure location on your device for the installation. Once installation is complete, launch the Safe Core application. You will be greeted by the Setup Welcome screen. Select the option to create a new wallet. You will be prompted to set a strong password. Make sure to choose a password that is hard to guess but easy for you to remember. After entering your password, click on the Next button. A seed phrase will be provided for backup. Carefully write down this seed phrase and store it in a secure location. Do not share this seed phrase with anyone. Confirm your seed phrase by entering it in the provided fields. Once confirmed, you will be taken to the main wallet interface. Explore the features available in the Safe Core wallet. To set up your smart contract, navigate to the Smart Contract section. Select the option to create or import your smart contract. Follow the prompts to input necessary details for your smart contract. Ensure all information is accurate before proceeding. Review the transaction details carefully. Click on the Confirm button to finalize your smart contract setup. Your smart contract wallet is now successfully set up. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.